Believers Radio.
I mean, some of us actually got reps to think about. Hey, yo, word up.
Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, a show where we drop a heat every 4 times of the week, the place where magic begins. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through this Eminem Drumkit download called State of Emergency. It's crazy, man. Yeah, I know how we do it here in Believers Records. We always kill it. So man, there's a lot of things in here, bro. There's a lot of things. There's a lot of goodies for you to actually look forward to here. There's some 808, there's bass, there's claps, there's some fills, there's some hi-hats, there's some kicks, there's some midis, there's some one-shots here as well, there's some open hats, there's some percussion and some snares and toms, nicely processed as always. But before we actually get into that, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. So yeah, man, so it's crazy, man. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and jump straight into this. So actually, before we actually get into this, I actually forgot to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up my number and we'll talk. So yeah, that's it, man. So let's go ahead and listen to the MIDI. So I'm gonna load up the first MIDI called Drop It. All right. I'm gonna use a BPM of, let's say, 80 just to be fair. Alright. Alright, so that's it for the MIDI. So let's go ahead and check out the drums. So I'm gonna start from here, the snares here going up as always. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the sauce, bro. That's it for the kit. So yeah, so there's a lot of things in here for you to actually, play around and mess around, make crazy banging beats. So yeah, so that's it, man. So enjoy the kit, make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye, stay safe, namaste. Believers Radio.